Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mini car fuses is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in your vehicle's electrical system, acting as crucial safety devices designed to protect your car's wiring and electronics from damage caused by overcurrents or short circuits. These tiny but mighty fuses are the first line of defense, preventing potential fires and costly repairs by intentionally blowing and breaking the circuit when an electrical fault occurs, thereby safeguarding everything from your headlights to your infotainment system. Number 5. Car Fuses Assortment Kit. This kit provides a wide range of automotive fuses, covering all your vehicle's electrical protection needs. It includes both standard and mini sizes for maximum compatibility. Each fuse is clearly marked with its amperage and color-coded, making it simple to find the exact one you need. No more guesswork when replacing a blown fuse. With ratings from 2A to 40A at 32 volts, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your car, RV, truck, motorcycle, or boat. Keep your vehicles running smoothly. Constructed with premium zinc alloy terminals, these fuses offer excellent corrosion resistance and conductivity. They are built to last and provide dependable protection. For added convenience, a fuse puller is included in the kit. This tool makes the process of replacing a fuse quicker and much easier. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of amperage ratings and includes both standard and mini sizes, making it incredibly versatile. It also features corrosion-resistant zinc alloy terminals for reliable conductivity. If you need a comprehensive set that covers various vehicle types and ensures good performance, this is a great choice. What people say. The product works as expected and is a good value for the money. The fuses are well made and durable, and they fit perfectly in my car. I was impressed with the variety of fuses included in the set, and they were easy to install. Number 4. JOREST 160 PCS Mini Fuses Kit with Puller. This kit provides a wide range of 160 mini fuses, covering 11 different current specifications from 2A to 40A, ensuring you have the right fuse for various automotive needs. It also includes a convenient fuse puller. We've carefully matched the quantities based on market data. This means more of the commonly used 10A, 15A, 20A, and 25A fuses, extending their usability and ensuring you're prepared for frequent replacements. Crafted from durable, environmentally friendly materials, each fuse is color-coded and clearly marked with its current rating. This makes identification quick and hassle-free, saving you time and effort. Designed for accuracy, these fuses are engineered to melt precisely when the electrical appliance reaches its rated current. This protects your valuable electronics from damage and ensures optimal operation. Worried about installation? This kit includes clear instructions to guide you through the process. We recommend comparing your existing fuse with our size chart or searching online for your specific car model to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This kit provides a thoughtful distribution of fuse quantities, with more of the commonly used ratings. It's also high quality and easy to identify with color coding and marked amperage. If you're looking for a practical assortment that prioritizes the most frequently needed fuses and includes helpful installation guidance, this is the one for you. What people say. The fuses are well made and fit perfectly into the fuse box. They are clearly labeled with their amperage, making it easy to identify the correct fuse. The assortment includes a good range of common amperages, which is convenient for various applications. Number 3. Riseuvo 140 PCS Low Profile Mini Blade Fuse Assortment Kit. Ensure your cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, campers, and boats are protected with this comprehensive fuse assortment. It's designed specifically for low-profile mini fuse slots. This kit provides 140 low-profile mini fuses, with 14 pieces each of 10 popular amperage ratings from 2A to 35A. You'll have plenty for multiple vehicles and future needs. Quickly find the right fuse with color-coded housings and clear amperage markings. Always match the original fuse's type and rating for safe and effective circuit protection. Ideal for multi-vehicle households, DIY enthusiasts, and RV travelers, this kit is great for routine maintenance and long-term spares. It even includes a handy fuse puller. Before replacing a fuse, consult your vehicle's manual or fuse box. Use only the same type and amperage rating to prevent further damage. If a fuse blows repeatedly, seek professional inspection. What we like. This kit is exclusively for low-profile mini-blade fuses, perfect for compatible cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. It offers a large quantity of each common rating for long-term needs. If your vehicle specifically requires low-profile mini fuses and you want a substantial supply for maintenance or projects, this is an excellent option. What people say. The product is a good value for the money. This is a great product that works as advertised. I would recommend this product to others. Number 2. JOREST Mini Car Fuse Kit. Introducing the JOREST Mini Car Fuse Kit, your comprehensive solution for automotive electrical protection. This kit provides a wide range of fuses to keep your vehicles running smoothly. This kit offers exceptional value with 30 mini-blade fuses, covering 11 essential current specifications. You'll have the right fuse for most common automotive needs. We've carefully curated the quantities based on market data, ensuring you have more of the most frequently used fuses like 10A, 15A, and 20A. This means longer usability and less worry about running out. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly materials, each fuse is color-coded and clearly marked with its current rating. Identifying the correct fuse is quick and effortless. Designed for precision, these fuses will reliably melt when the electrical appliance reaches its rated current. This ensures accurate protection for your vehicle's sensitive electronics. Replacing a fuse is straightforward with the included installation instructions. We recommend comparing your existing fuse or consulting your vehicle's manual to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This is a more compact kit with 30 mini fuses, but it still smartly distributes quantities with more of the commonly used ratings. It's made with quality materials and is easy to identify. If you need a smaller, cost-effective set for general use or as a backup, and appreciate a well-thought-out quantity distribution, this is a suitable choice. What people say. The product works as expected and is a good value for the price. These fuses are exactly what I needed for my car. They fit perfectly and have been working without any issues. I was impressed with the quality of these mini car fuses. They seem very durable and well made. Number 1. MulWark 120PC Assorted Auto Mini Fuses. Introducing the MulWark 120-piece ClearMark Assorted Auto Mini Fuses. This comprehensive set provides a wide range of essential fuses for your vehicle's electrical needs. Rest assured with our UL-listed fuses, ensuring the highest standard of protection for your valuable electrical devices. Safety and reliability are our top priorities. These fast-acting fuses protect your vehicles and electrical gadgets from short circuits and overloads. They are easily identified by their color-coded housings and clear amp rating marks. Featuring transparent housings, these fuses allow for quick visual inspection. You can easily detect a blown fuse, ensuring minimal downtime. Designed for a broad range of vehicles including cars, trucks, SUVs, boats, and motorcycles. This assortment covers essential components like radios and lights. The set includes 120 assorted fuses and a handy fuse puller. An explicit diagram inside the storage box clearly labels each fuse, making organization and replacement a breeze. What we like. This kit stands out with its UL listing, ensuring high standard protection. The transparent housings allow for quick visual inspection of the fuse link. If you prioritize safety certifications and the convenience of easily spotting a blown fuse, this is the ideal selection for your needs. What people say. The fuses are well made and fit perfectly in the fuse box. These mini fuses are a great value for the price and work as expected. I appreciate the variety of amperages included in this pack, making it easy to replace blown fuses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.